to Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. Cue the intro. I'm back with another quick, clean, motivational video. You know, I'm trying to take 8 to 15 minutes daily to tidy a drawer, a cabinet, a dresser, somewhere around my house. So today I'm organizing my baking cabinet, and oh, did it need organizing. You see this mess? So I'm removing everything from this Lazy Susan cabinet. Now that everything is removed, I'm going in with a paper towel to pick up any debris from the bottom of this cabinet. So now I'm going in with my wet dishcloth and some Dawn Power Wash. Time now to check the dates and discard outdated items. And as you see on my containers, every time I put an item in, such as flour or cake mix, I always cut off the date and attach it to the top of my containers. It's almost time for me to go shopping for groceries, so this is the perfect time to see what I have and what I need to replace. If you're new here, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by the channel on today. But of course, I don't want you to be a stranger. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. I truly appreciate you coming back week after week to see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. So let's remember where we were just a few minutes ago. But again, 8 to 15 minutes per day to tidy up some space around the house. And just like that, my baking I threw pancakes in there. Well, my baking cabinet is complete and it's organized. I truly appreciate you stopping by for this quick, clean, motivational, inspirational video on today. Make sure before you leave, give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below, because you know thumbs up and comments help my channel to grow. I already look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.